Hello, Gov. Unsay imong current or in works nga infra projects for Cebu?
Me and Governor Amentado, we are lobbying for the fast track project for the Cebu-Bohol Expressway. This would really help in our tourism and also our economic growth in both provinces. So ako nag-nalabi karon ni Governor Amentado.
In talks na ba mo ani Gov, and when sa di possibly mag-start?
Yeah, because as you know, he has been advocating sa Regional Development Council. So I am also in favor of this, and we will have to focus on this na as soon as possible. Ako ni ma-implement, no? Ako ni unsa ni siya kanang come into fusion ang kani Cebu-Bohol Expressway. Most likely PPP ni siya. Like sa Silex bitaw parang pas-pas tayo ang project.
Meron na ba ikuan ko? Feasibility study ani?
Na yung feasibility study ani. It has been discussed in the past RDC, Regional Development Council, which I support.
Gov, speaking of Gov Ares ba, natuki na sa ninyo ang Cebu-Bohol Sisterhood